my camping in my garden. Actually, we just got the tent out. It's really green for no reason. So this is a tour of my garden. So this is the tent. I'll show you from outside. Oh, it's a bit sunny. So this is how it looks like.
Sissy!
Stop!
Sissy, did you find the butterfly anywhere?
No. Oh yeah, we found a bus. Oh yeah, there it is in your hair. No, in your... You look pillow. Okay, hi.
Yeah.
You can't see me? Now you can. Okay, this is the garden. It's really big because I live in a church. This is the church. Dun 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 dun. And you can't see anything. Dun 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 dun.
This is a hoppy.
She's an idiot. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Let's stop this. And moving on. Sorry, Aimee. I'm sorry. No. Look how many clips she has in her hair. It's really awkward. 1, 2. You can't see it. Now, secret time. Yay! An adorable bee. Do you want to see the bee? It's so adorable. Adorable. It's adorable bee. Adorable. Adorable. Whoa! It's so adorable. And I think it's going after me. Oh yeah, that's the bird poop. Yay, that's the bird poop. I found it. I found the bird poop. Oh yeah. Nice bee. 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 I don't know why I'm saying that, but it's a nice bee. I'll show you more. I'll show you more.
We'll show you more.
Oh.
We'll show you what.
Oh.
More animals.
Yeah.
There's a bee behind.
Yeah. So let's do